Bye, Daddy.
Babay mo na si Mami.
Okay.
Babe, ano na? Ready na ako. Hahatid ko na sila mamaya sa ano. Pati si Ola. Magsasama na tayo. Bibilan kita ng iPhone, condo, lahat ng gusto mo. Ready ka na ba? Ola, keep quiet ka lang ha. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita. Kaya kong abutin ng langit. Masungkit ka lang. Are you ready? You ready? Okay? Okay? Aabutin ko yan mamaya. Gaganunin ko yan. Aabutin natin yan, okay? Wait for me. Wala, what are you doing? Bye-bye, bye-bye.
I'm back! Pero ako. Why? What happened?
Let's go na ba, Ola?
Why?
Papa, tita ko phone. Give your phone.
Why? What
What's that?
happened?
What happened, Ola?
What happened?
Tita ko yun.
The what? Ah,
Give your phone.
No, I
what
didn't.
happened, Ola? Say it to Mami.
Give your phone.
What happened nga?
Give your phone.
No, tell mo what happened.
Nice a babe.
Huh?
Babe.
Who's babe?
Oh, that's my friend.
Ano sinabi ni Daddy? What did he say?
Hey, babe. Bibigyan tita iPhone.
Bibilan ko iPhone.
Oh my
Tapos kondo. House naman yun.
Babay ko pa ng kondo.
Is that real?
You're
Baka
lying.
you're lying.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's a prank!
I'm gonna say that.
Why?
Kaya na.
Ay,
Sorry.
naman.
Ayaw nga!
Sorry, please. I'll buy you French fries. Oh, I will buy you iPhone and condo. You like?
Yeah!
Yeah.
Oh, thanks for the daddy. I got you.
I